Okay, today we're going to be using the no ruler. So if you have any thick paper or just commercial papers with a little bit of thick edges, then you can use that. So we'll create a N. So what I'm going to do is just let's put the vanishing point here. Vanishing point. So this is horizon line. It indicates eye level. Alright, so we're going to be using two columns. Alright, so 1, 2, 1, 2. So this will be the N. Okay, and then since we cannot measure exactly half, what you want to do is just imagine that's about half, right? And all you have to do is just connect those two. And if you want to make sure that it's parallel, what you want to do is just turn it around so you can see previous line and then try to making it parallel to that. Okay? And then we're going to go back, and then there's N. Good? Okay, so next thing you want to do is start connecting the corners to the vanishing point. So always start with the corner that is close to the vanishing point. So if you have a multiple, there's a corner, but if you lined up with the vanishing point, actually it goes behind this column, so you don't need to connect that. And then you can see there's a corner. I know it's really thin, so sometimes it feels like, oh, is this correct? But that is the correct, right? You don't create line going in any other directions. You directly connect the corners to the vanishing point. There's a corner here. No, it goes behind. So nothing interferes with this. So this is a corner, but this goes behind this column. So any open space that is the vanishing point, you connect. See, it is open, that's why we connect. This one, there's nothing blocking, we connect. Right? This one is blocked by this entire body of N, so you don't connect. Okay? So if you want to make this into the block, what you want to do is decide where how much thick you want the letter to be. Let's say I want the letter to be thick this much. Then all you have to do is bring this line up, right? See, from here to here, right? And then same parallel to that. So this is a line going up. Okay. And then now shading. Let's say the light is coming from this direction, and it hits the front, it hits the top, it hits the left side, which we don't see the top and the left, right? So this is the part that gets dark because it's opposite side, and this is another part. So let's put, remember the value chart, right? This one will create into about 4. Right? You can always block it. Right? And then this is the parts that's going to be dark. This is another part that gets really dark. Okay. So we want to make this bottom more darker, so we can make the difference between this area and this area. And then this is another part. Then your N is done. Let's make this one a little bit lighter. Okay, then there goes N. Good.